Have you ever wondered why ice floats on water when almost all other solids sink in their liquid form? The answer lies in the unusual properties of water, a substance that breaks the norm and continues to baffle and amaze scientists around the world. Imagine this. A water molecule in its solid state, known as ice, forms a crystalline structure due to hydrogen bonds. This structure actually occupies more volume than when the molecules are in their liquid state, making ice less dense and causing it to float on water. An everyday marvel, isn't it? Now let's dive into the realm of quantum physics, where things get even more fascinating. Picture two particles miles apart, yet intertwined in such a way that the state of one can instantaneously affect the state of the other. Albert Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, and we know it as quantum entanglement. Speaking of distance, consider the speed of light. It's not only a limit to how fast things can travel, but also a cap on how quickly information can be transmitted, a staggering 186,282 miles per second in a vacuum. And while we're on the topic of surprising facts, did you know that bananas are naturally radioactive? Yes, the potassium-40 in bananas gives off a tiny amount of radiation, measured humorously as the banana equivalent dose. Let's switch gears and talk about our sense of smell. Humans have around 400 types of olfactory receptors that can detect over 1 trillion different scents, a testament to the complexity and sensitivity of our olfactory system. Now imagine a rain so valuable it's literally out of this world. On Neptune and Uranus, scientists believe that the extreme pressure and temperature break apart methane molecules, compressing the carbon into diamonds that fall as precipitation. In the animal kingdom, the octopus stands out with its central brain and a mini-brain in each of its 8 arms. This decentralized nervous system allows each arm to perform complex tasks and make decisions independently. The deep sea, despite its darkness, is a light show of its own. Approximately 75% of ocean organisms exhibit bioluminescence, producing light through a chemical reaction for defense, prey luring, and communication. The hottest temperature ever created by humans, a scorching 5.5 trillion degrees Celsius, was achieved in the Large Hadron Collider, simulating conditions just after the Big Bang. And finally, the Planck length, the smallest theoretically measurable length so tiny that space and time start to lose meaning, and classical physics give way to quantum effects. From floating ice to quantum entanglement, radioactive bananas to diamond rain, today we've traveled through a universe of scientific wonders, each more intriguing than the last. Remember, the world around us is full of extraordinary phenomena, just waiting to be explored.